let's use the ZPD house, take a look at how, even though it might pass the BPI test for worst case CAZ depressurization, there are certain things the client could do above and beyond BPI worst case CAZ testing. So here's an example where we're monitoring the pressure in the basement. Right now it's 0. Our water heater is drafting. Basement door is closed. And we're monitoring the attic pressure, which right now is a +1. So let's say the kid comes home from school, goes up to her attic bedroom, closes the attic door, but it goes slightly negative. That's okay. However, you've also done some air sealing. So we've closed off some of the holes, dense packed slopes, did some air sealing, and so this pressure imbalance that exists starts to get a little worse. And worse yet, perhaps this teenager throws her coat down on the heat register, or the dog, family dog, follows her in and lays down on the heat register and closes that off. Suddenly, all you have is a return and the supply is blocked and you have a negative pressure. However, depending upon how well the CAZ was isolated from the rest of the house, you may have a slight negative pressure. And as you can see, it's on the verge of backdrafting here. If the knee wall here is opened up, it's possible to find an interstitial communication to the basement, and now we're at -5 and we're backdrafting. So this is one of the issues that is above and beyond BPI testing. And as we make houses tighter, this becomes a real issue that the client can have an impact on the CAZ without even knowing it. So obviously the way to take care of this is make sure it's balanced, but there's no accounting for a supply or return register being blocked and knee walls being opened and interstitial communication happening within the envelope. And this is why we have -5 right now in the CAZ. So obviously the best solution is no longer have atmospheric appliances in tight houses, and that's one of the issues we need to be looking at in the future. And this model will help us understand it even better. So take a look at it and see how it might help you with your training.